Yummy food always. We like eating Charlie Chen pasta from Yellow Cab. Lately, though, it's become very spicy, so I thought I'd try to make it at home. Before preparing the sauce, boil the pasta first. Then, mix oyster sauce and chicken broth in a separate bowl. Then add the char siu sauce, chili garlic sauce, and sugar. Then set it aside. Now we start cooking. Saute garlic and onion with peanut oil. This time I didn't have peanut oil, so I just used olive oil. Just let the onion and the garlic soften up a bit and then add the chicken. Saute them together until the chicken browns. At this point, my son took over sauteing to brown the chicken. Once the chicken is browned, add the shiitake mushrooms. For this one, I just used canned. Then add the peanuts. I just used growers and didn't bother to crush it, but you can opt to crush the peanuts. I did not use any salt, so the growers peanuts took care of adding salt to the chicken. After that, add the sauce that you prepared before cooking. Once the sauce is a bit thick, this is the time that you can add the noodles. Mix it well and then serve hot. Yummy! Enjoy!